This podcast is brought to you by PodPro Australia.
Want to know what the number one platform everyone needs to be on? Then this episode is for you. Social media, Google, email marketing, systems, website traffic, and the endless content creation that comes with marketing. It's overwhelming, right? Say goodbye to endless stress and hello to clarity with the Meaningful Marketing Podcast. In this podcast, I will share with you fast and free practical methods to help you manage, monetize, and market your business, all infused with a healthy dose of motivation. Let's do this. Welcome to another episode of the Meaningful Marketing Podcast. I'm your host, Chantal Gerardy. Today we'll be discussing the most essential platform every business should be on, and yet so many businesses seem to neglect. The platform is Google My Business. Firstly, did you know that 93% of consumers search Google Maps to find a business? 91% of people read Google reviews before contacting a business. And 60% of interactions on Google My Business lead to website clicks. Everyone is always asking me which social media platform they should be on, when the most important one is Google My Business. Not only is it the number one search engine in the world, but like all platforms, it needs management to help you rank. And when I say management, I'm not referring to ads like most think. Like every platform, you have to respect the platform and you have to respect the audience using it. It allows businesses to manage their online presence across Google, including search engines and maps. It's incredibly important for local businesses and digital marketing because it helps improve visibility, attracts potential customers, and helps you to be found when people are searching online. Statistics show that businesses with complete and accurate Google My Business listings are 70% more likely to attract local visits. This activity leads to calls, messages, and website clicks. So if you think of Google My Business as your online storefront for your business, without it, it is like having a beautifully designed shop hidden in a back alley. Once you optimize it, it will be as if you've moved your shop to the busiest street in town. The increase in visibility and customer inquiries can be remarkable when you manage it like it needs to be managed. And it takes such a little effort and time. Like I always say, whoever does it best gets the customer. So if you think it's such a great opportunity for your business because your competitors may not be using it like it should be used. So this is a great opportunity for you to stand out and to get found online through Google. So once you set it up and you manage it correctly, you can easily monitor your performance or insights, and you'll soon start to notice an increase in people viewing your profile. You'll notice how many searches you appear in, calls and messages you receive, along with website clicks, all coming from Google. And again, it is all ads free. So how do you start? Well, first, complete your profile. Ensure that your Google My Business profile is completely filled out with accurate information. Include your description, your business category, your contact information, and your service area. Secondly, use keywords wisely. Incorporate relevant keywords in your business description to improve your search ranking. You can use the platform answerthepublic.com, which allows you to have 2 free searches per day, and you can see what people are searching for in Google in your country through the search engines. Using these words, the words your audience use when setting up your products, this will help you to be found and rank higher. Thirdly, regular updates. Add updates regularly. Keep your information current, including business hours, photos, and posts. Regularly updating the profile with new photos and posts keeps your audience engaged and informed. And it also shows Google you're relevant and helps them to favor you in being found when searched. Engage with customers. Respond to reviews and messages to ensure you continue to build trust and engage with your audience. And lastly, utilize their insights. Using the analytics provided by Google My Business will help you understand customer behavior and will help optimize your strategy. So having an optimized Google My Business profile is an absolute game changer for any business. Here are some additional strategies you can use. Use high-quality photos. Include high-resolution images of your products, services, and premises to attract potential customers. Create posts. Use the Google My Business Ad Update feature to post updates, promotions, and events to keep your audience informed. Encourage reviews. Ask satisfied customers to leave reviews by sharing them the direct link, or even create a QR code which leads to the review link. Respond to them promptly to show appreciation and build trust. Now, getting your customers to use search words in their reviews helps Google match you with being searched for. So many of my clients have not only been found, but got the job based on their Google reviews. Optimize for SEO. Now, SEO is a big fancy word for search engine optimization, but at the end of the day, it's the words your customers use to find you. Once you know and use these words, it helps to attract your ideal client online. So, for example, if you run a cafe and you post updates about your new menu items or special events, and if you provide high-quality images of your dishes and a well-crafted business description with keywords like best coffee on the Gold Coast, it will help you to attract more loyal customers in the area. Now that we've explored the importance of Google My Business, I encourage you to take action. Update your Google My Business profile today with accurate information and start engaging with your customers. Share your experiences or questions in the comments section of our podcast page. Let me know, have you got a Google My Business profile and how have you found it work in your business? Start with just as little as once a week to add an update, add some photos or update content and respond to reviews. So to recap, Google My Business is the #1 platform for businesses, but it requires you to simply manage it. Thank you for listening today. For more free resources, visit our website, onlinebusinessmarketing.com.au. And don't forget, whatever platform you're listening to this podcast on, subscribe, hit follow, rate us, or leave a comment below. If you have any feedback, comments, or suggestions on upcoming episodes, please feel free to simply send me a DM on Facebook or Instagram. This is Chantal Gerardy from Online Business Marketing, and you're listening to the Meaningful Marketing Podcast. Thanks for listening in. Meaningful Marketing is all about you making your marketing meaningful. If you've enjoyed today's episode, please hit that subscribe button. But subscribing means that you won't miss out on future episodes all about marketing and motivation. Stay inspired, stay focused, and make your marketing meaningful.